Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS. Today we are going to see another important topic from your recent current affairs. Center formulating R&D policy to bolster drug discovery by Vishnu IAS team. This is an important topic. This will come in your GS2 mains. First, let's see what is R&D policy. So this R&D policy, the center is actually formulating a new research and development policy. So what is the purpose and what is the aim of this kind of R&D policy? What is the aim of this R&D policy is, this is mainly to boost the drug discovery and the manufacture of medical devices. So center is going to start up with R&D policies. It is formulating the new R&D policy. So the main aim of this R&D policy is to boost the discovery and the manufacture of medical devices. Let's see what are the concerns. There was another news regarding the same little earlier, where the minister have announced that he have outlined the plans to boost the manufacturing of drugs and medical devices industries. So through that, what we can understand is, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have been exposed to an weakness in the global supply chain, and it was a great threat to the health security of the country. So India's active paramedical ingredients, that is API imports, it is around $3.5 billion every year, per year. 3.5 billion per year. And India is depending on China for about 70% of API, and India imports about 86% of the materials used to make the devices, right? So the pandemic has exposed weakness in global supply chains and posed a threat to the health security of the country. Yes, because of this COVID-19 pandemic, it exposed us in the global supply chain, weakness in the global supply chain, and it posed a threat to the health security of the country. And India's active paramedical ingredients API imports, it stands around 3.5 billion per year. And India is depending on China for about 70% of API, and India imports about 86% of the materials used to make the medical devices. And efforts are being taken to reduce India's reliance on imports, particularly from China. And there are various efforts have been taken to reduce the belief on importing, particularly from China. So the plans include setting up of research and manufacturing sites across the country to develop the drugs and medical devices. So parks are being established, with a good infrastructure and good connectivity, affordable land and competitive utility charges, and a strong research and development ecosystem. And this would begin its operations in about 2 to 3 years. This will come into the operations. So let's see the details. India has a robust of $40 billion pharmaceutical sector. That is, it has a strong pharmaceutical sector, and it is seen as a reliable supplier of generic drugs. India is seen as a reliable supplier of generic drugs. And the government has proposed to set up 3 major manufacturing parks. As I told you that India's active pharmaceutical ingredients API imports, India imports about 86% of materials to make the medical devices. There are various efforts being taken. So according to that, the plans, which includes the setting up of research and manufacturing sites across the countries, now the government have proposed to set up the 3 major manufacturing parks. So it will have an investment of rupees 1000 crore each. For each park, it will invest about 1000 crore. And what is the main aim of this manufacturing park is to drive import substitution. Mainly for the import substitution of basic raw materials. As I told you, we are importing nearly 86%, right? So to drive import substitution of basic raw materials, active pharmaceutical ingredients API, and the making of the medical devices. It is the main aim of this manufacturing parks. And there were numerous production linked incentives are also there, and there is a renowned focus, new way of seeing things. So renowned focus is on bringing together research institutions, academia, and the industry. okay, for the purpose to identify the new chemicals and update the processes and discover the new drug delivery systems. Okay, the main focus, okay, the new way of approach, the new focus is on bringing together all the research institutions, academia and the industry together, and also to identify the new chemicals and updating the process, and also to discover the new drug delivery system. Okay, identify new chemicals, update processes and discover new drug delivery system. Okay, so what's the way forward is, so when you see under the current system, the approval process is completely obsolete. Okay, so and there is a need, dire need, okay, need to strengthen the institutions. It is a must. Okay, so there is a need to strengthen the institutions, and scientists' role in new discoveries must be recognized to help them commercialize their projects. Okay, so we should focus on the scientist role. Okay, scientist role in the new discoveries, and their discoveries must be recognized to help them to commercialize the products. Okay, actually I was talking about the active pharmaceutical ingredient API, right? So what does this active pharmaceutical ingredient is? All drugs are made up of two core components, namely active pharmaceutical ingredient API, which is the central ingredient, and the excipients. Okay, APIs are also called the bulk drugs. Some of them are very critical as they use in the production of essential medicines, and API are often cheaper to import than to make. Okay, so the all drugs which are made up of all the drugs are made up of two core components. One is API, okay, that is a central ingredient, and another is the excipients, and it is a bulk drugs, and it is very critical as they use in the production of essential medicine, and it is also it is actually considered to be cheaper to import than to produce it. Okay, to understand this in a more better way, okay, so what this active pharmaceutical ingredient is, the active ingredient, it is contained in a medicine. Okay, for example, active ingredient to relieve pain is included in a painkiller. Okay, this is called the API. So to relieve pain, so what is included? So the painkiller which is included to relieve the pain is the active ingredient, that we call it as API. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Thank you. If you like this video, click like button and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel link to get info about the daily current affairs. Thank you.